Since 1953, North States has been creating and producing innovative, superior quality products, including the Supergate, designed to the highest standards of safety, durability, and ease of use. The North States Easy Swing and Lock Gate is the right choice when you need an extra secure closure for openings from 28 to 48 inches that's also attractive and convenient. It's perfect for places where you need a swing gate without a threshold to step over, such as at the top of a stairway. It's designed to swing only one way for additional safety and will never swing out over the stairs. The Easy Swing and Lock Gate has all of the functions and safety features you'd expect in a Supergate. The durable metal construction demonstrates superior craftsmanship, and the attractive matte bronze or linen finish will enhance the beauty of your home. The Easy Swing and Lock Gate comes complete with all the hardware you need to securely mount it in your opening. The extra secure gate swings to lock itself into position with a gentle touch. The child-proof safety latch is designed to be secure, yet provide easy one-hand operation, and the convenient no-threshold design allows you to swing the gate out of the way when not needed. The Easy Swing and Lock Gate from North States, America's leading line of juvenile products, designed to the highest standards of safety, durability, and ease of use.